guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. So today I'll be doing my Mother's Day maintenance vlog. Mother's Day is this Sunday and today is Thursday. So right now I just got to the nail salon. My appointment is for 10:30, but it's now 10:10, so I'm early.
My pen. It's in the car. I got it for you.
Hey guys, my battery died, so I didn't get to vlog doing my nails, but yes, I get my nails done and I take something simple, nice and girly, a nice pink almond shape. And yeah, it is actually Saturday. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so my baby got me a little something from Coach, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So continue watching the vlog, guys, and happy Mother's Day. Oh guys, forget to tell you guys it's my son's birthday today. So right now I'm in Sam's. I'm gonna get him a birthday cake. The ones in Sam's are now looking too good, so I'm going to Publix to get him a nice cake so we can celebrate his birth night. Alright, I'm going into Walmart. I'm gonna get some little knickknacks because we're gonna have a party tonight. It's his first birthday in America, so why not? Yeah, but I was looking for the bigger one. Yeah, this one needs to look for. Yeah, I'm going in Publix to get the cake. Oh God, you said I'm not focusing on the cake. I'm looking at Mother's Day thing, but got my son cake, and I got one of the Mother's Day balloon thingy for my room, and I'm now at Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm gonna pick up my wings, and then I have one more stop to make. I'm gonna get pizza because like I said, we are gonna have a little party. Yeah, I'm so excited for him. It's his first birthday in America, and yeah, we have some chicken wings, fries, pizza, birthday cake, and of course we have a bottle of champagne. Alright, so that is your cake, and we can't cook, but we can go fill it. That's
Fine.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You finish your cakes? You have chicken, yummy, fries. So. Then blessings surround us. We no care who. We just go and show love. Come from. Life is a journey. No, bottom. Anything I want to serve.
Yeah. And we just slap. Right.
So my daughter is here as well. She's she joined the party.
One, two.
Alright, so we're gonna sing happy birthday at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rashid. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you.
Second verse.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yeah. Make a wish and then you cut your cake. You know, I'm not going to blow, but make a wish in your mind.
Sorry. wait.
I'm not clapping in cut because I can't clap. I have video.
Man, if it is fast or slow.
Yeah. No matter. Yay! Hey, my feel some young work every day till them need them now. And anybody pour my drink and anybody buy my dinner. Alright, so we're gonna open our champagne right now.
Champagne what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Champagne after 3. 1, 2.
Ooh, Jesus. Really?
It's fine. Yeah. Oh, it's.
Okay, so we're gonna cheers to life, more life, to love, prosperity, financial blessing, future success, family togetherness, family peace, everything come.
And cheers to Tia. Thank you
Cheers to
again, Tia.
Tia as well. She's on the phone. I think that it's my son's first time drinking champagne. And big sister they tell me say,
Me drink. What?
you drink champagne already?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. These are very familiar taste to me.
It's very familiar to backside.
There's a pink must.
So my son prepared breakfast for me and made me coffee. Mother's Day, everyone. So it is Sunday and I am about to open my Mother's Day gifts. So let's jump right in and see if these are any of the things that I request. So let me tell you what I asked for Mother's Day. So I wanted a plant, indoor plant, artificial indoor plant for my room. And I asked for a mirror, a full body mirror. And what else did I ask for? Yes, I asked for a purse and I got that. Let's see if I got what I asked for. Okay, so I received these from my daughter, so let's jump right into them. Alright, so let's do some unboxing. Wow. So this is a vase for the plant. Yeah. Yes, this is a plant. Yeah, me from yesterday. But thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Whoa. Okay. We have how this work? You're supposed to have one something with the. I eat this.
You think I eat this?
Okay. Oh, holy baby. Yep, thank you. So, okay, so we can put it right there. So, and put the tree right here. So, or put it. Okay. Yeah. And then now we can put the tree right there. So. Bottom, yeah, two of them. That the next bottom part. Yeah, this is definitely what I wanted. It's not too big, it's not too small. Okay, and then but oh god, okay, yeah. So in love with my plants, and of course I'm in love with my Miro from my beautiful kids. Hey guys, it's Mother's Day evening and I'm going out for dinner, so I'm gonna do a quick little fit check. Let's go. Quick little OOTD outfit of the day. So this dress is from Fashion Nova. My bag is Tory Burch. Slides, Gucci. Chain is from Babe. My hair is from my wig collection. And that's it.
And happy Mama's Day to all the mamas and mamas out there.
In here is so noisy, so yeah. So I'm gonna take the crispy pineapple chicken and shrimp, and I'm gonna take taco for myself, and of course we get bread. My side. Pineapple chicken with shrimp. It's spicy, it's really nice. So the food was very good. I enjoyed it and I'm so full. I'm full. I'm going home now, and as you can see, it's still evening, it's still bright, and it's 20 minutes to 8 now. Beautiful Florida. Alright guys, I'm going home now. Thank you all for watching the vlog. Happy Mother's Day again, and have a blessed week. See you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye guys.